Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a recipe from Kyle Istock or Istook. I'm not sure what his name is there. It's chicken alfredo pasta. So he said you start with 2 chicken breasts, cook them for a few minutes till they're almost fully cooked. That's where I'm about at here now. Now we're going to put some salt and black pepper, seasoned to taste, they say. Okay. Then add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using what appears to be close to 3. This is minced garlic. I'm going to put that in there. Then mix that around until it gets fragrant. Smells good. Smells real good. Okay. Now, let's see. We add 14 ounces of chicken broth, which I have here. Ooh, quieted it down. And a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, stir that around. Let me see here. Turn up the heat. It is high. Let's see. Okay, when it starts to boil, we add 8 ounces of penne rigate pasta. I do that a lot. Well, at least it was the spoon and not the glass cup. Okay. Oops. Damn. So this needs to come to a boil. Which might be a minute or two. Okay, our concoction is now boiling. So we add the pasta, 8 ounces of penne rigata. Turn the heat down. Stir this in. That doesn't look like enough. You know what? Let's put a little more in there. There. If it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. There. We let this simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally, till the noodles are done. Let me get them all drenched here. Then we'll add the Parmesan cheese. Okay, that's been about 15 minutes. The noodles are melted, soft. Now we add 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. There's a cup. And what's left in here is about 1/2. Oh crap. You can't have too much cheese. Gotta loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Wow. And we stir that in till it's all melted. Smells good. It's looking good. He said just mix it up until the cheese is melted. Just about there. Okay. That should be it. Turn that off. Put that on a big plate. Well, that'll keep me fed for a while. Yeah, there's a lot there. I didn't even use 2 full chicken breasts because they were huge. Use about 1.5. Ooh. Well, there you have it. Obviously, it's going to be delicious. Thank you for watching the video, and TTFN, ta-ta for now.